guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss that how can you remove your background. As you can see, I have a background. So now we are going to show you that how can you set up your background, how can you use your chroma, and how can you remove your backgrounds by using Filmora. Okay guys, so now as you can see, this is the Filmora setup and I have logged in with my account. Make sure this is not a free version, this is a paid version. So I'm going to select a video so you guys can easily understand. Plus button, I'm going to mute this one. And now, so this is the green screen or the chroma. Now you need a background. So I have a background already. So this is the background. Drag and drop, and now put the background here. Like this. Now as you can see, when you play your video is not showing properly because you have to place your image below the video and video at the top of your image. So now once again play the video, it's fine. Now just click the video, click on the chroma. So now as you can see, it's saying chroma key. So click the video, click the chroma, select the pencil or the pen, just select your background. As you can see, I have a green background, so that's why I am selecting the exact color by using the color picker. Fine. If you click on now, once again play the video. Now as you can see, the background is still there and you have a lot of noise. So now once again I'm going to manage the image. Wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, now once again click the video. So this is the offset, this is the tolerance. Just increase the offset. As you can see, the image is now proper. Enlarge your screen, play the video. Now the screen is fine, but now as you can see, you have the noise here. So how can you remove this noise? You have to select the tolerance. So now as you can see, once again big screen, hit the enter button. As you can see, you have a noise here. Here you have a small noise, and here as you can see, you have a noise. So now once again background, just increase the offset, or you can use the alpha channel to determine the video. So now if you decrease the offset, as you can see, you are removing the noise from here and also here. If you increasing the offset, as you can see, you are showing the video is showing currently the noise is here. Why I'm saying noise? Because you have a blur video. So once again, this is fine. Alpha channel, remove the alpha channel, and you have 21 and 50 settings. You can manage the offset and also the tolerance according to your video. So it depends on you how your video and how you are managing your video. Once again play. As you can see, now you have the actual video. So you have successfully removed the background by using the Filmora. Okay guys, so in this way you can remove your background by using Filmora. So I hope guys you are enjoying our series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.